Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TikTok from iPhone with screen time step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and find the Settings app. Tap on the Settings icon to open it. Scroll down and look for Screen Time. Tap on Screen Time to enter its settings. If Screen Time is enabled, enter your passcode. Once inside, look for the option labeled Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions to access its settings. Make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on. Next, find and tap on the iTunes and App Store Purchases option. Look for Deletions and tap on it. Select Allow to ensure app deletion is permitted. Now, exit the Settings app. Locate the TikTok app on your home screen. Press and hold the TikTok app icon until it begins to shake. Tap the small X icon that appears on the top corner of the TikTok app. A prompt will appear asking if you want to delete TikTok. Tap Delete to confirm the uninstallation of TikTok from your iPhone. Once deleted, the app will be removed from your device. Your TikTok app is now uninstalled successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.